completed our task. We reached our goal as usual, we've overclocked our deposit to $20,000. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm very happy to see that you really liked the pocket option platform, that you really want to try it again and again. I prepared something interesting for you today because I really want to open its to reach the high potential of this platform. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel, put your like, write your comment, and do not forget and do not hesitate to come to my Telegram, write me the code word private, and I'll add you to my special private chat we will use, where you will find a lot of trading signals, a lot of trading techniques, secrets of course, and you will start this sphere yourself. Yes, you will dive into the sphere, you will understand everything, and you can make your own money already now and here. So do not hesitate, do it right now, and we are starting. So guys, today our deposit is $4,500, and I will try to overclock it up to $20,000 in this video. And here's the first situation where I'm gonna enter my trade is the support level. The price has dropped to our level, and I want to enter this trade with up here. I assume 3 minutes will be quite enough, so let's see what we can get this time. Okay, the first situation has perfectly worked out. We're getting a fabulous pullback from the support level, and the trade is turned into the call profit. So let's move on to the next situation. Here we also have the support zone. Let's enter here for 3 minutes. I think 3 minutes will be quite enough. I'm opening with $3,000, and actually I'm planning to trade with about half of my deposit. So let's see what we're gonna get this time. Well, our support zone has worked perfectly well. We see a good price pullback, and we're getting a brilliant profit again. So let's see what we can get this time. So guys, here the price is definitely moving to the support zone. We also can see the good resistance of this level. The price has already tried to break it down, but here I think there will be a pullback. So I want to enter here with up for 5 minutes with time reserve. I'm putting $4,000. Let's see what we can get this time. So guys, our first 3 trades has already brought us the profit. The fourth one is still in the process because we have entered at different time points. But I think everything will be fine here. The zone has worked out perfectly. The price is going up, and again we're getting the brilliant profit. So let's choose another situation. So guys, here there is a good and strong downward trend, so I'm going to enter the trade for 5 minutes. We still have the walking space to the main support level, and I think everything's gonna be okay. I'm entering the trade as usual with the half of my deposit, so let's wait for it to close. Well guys, the trend movement is in progress. Our trade is turning into the awesome profit. The 5-minute period was quite enough, and so let's move on to the next situation. So guys, here we have a downward movement. We see the price highs are updated, and we're getting lower and lower. Also there is the support level, and I want to enter here for literally 1 minute with down, because I think the downtrend movement is going to continue. Let's put $4,000 in order to earn the amount of $20,000 that we've planned initially, yes? And so let's see what we'll get this time. So, well guys, there is a small pullback, and our trade is perfectly going into the profit. So today we've completed our task, we reached our goal as usual, we've overclocked our deposit to $20,000, and now our balance is $20,670, and it's brilliant result. I really love this result, and thanks to this platform we've really got the desire to try that more and to get this highest potential, and I'm sure that we can get even more, even biggest result. But for now it's very cool and very awesome. So if you want to do the same like trading with a good result, just write to me in the card word private in Telegram, of course. I will add it to my special private chat. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, put your like, write a comment, tell me how do you like this video, how do you like this result. I'm sure you like it too. So thank you so much for watching and see you next time.